How to determine what your customers' needs are. Learning what your customers' needs are is an ongoing process for any business that plans to stick around long term. You can learn by asking, of course, but sometimes customers don't even know what they need right off the bat. Instead, try these methods for learning what your customers' needs are. First off, look at your data. You most likely already have some data available from Google Analytics, social media analytics, your email marketing autoresponder, or other places online. Put that data into order so that you can figure out exactly who your current customers are. You may be surprised that they're not who you think they are. For example, you may have thought your audience were mostly men between the ages of 24 to 36, and you find out that over half are female of the same age. You need to actually speak to stakeholders. If you have a sales staff, customer care support, and other people working with you, talk to them about the information they've gathered from the customers about their needs. Often you'll find a customer's need packed in, so to speak, or hidden within a complaint. For example, if too many customers need to call and get directions on how to find the tutorial for their products, then you have a problem with disseminating the right information to your customers. Perhaps with the right direction, your customer service could create a checklist to help them avoid the problem. Another good thing to do is to map the customer's journey. From the initial trigger event until they're a paying customer and in your product funnel, you should be able to map a customer's journey. This process will help you identify gaps in content needs, technology, and more. Writing down the steps your customers need to take in order to go through your entire product funnel is an exercise that will pay off. You should always analyze your competition. The competition has followers that are your audience too. Look at what the competition does to attract its audience. Once you know this, you can use what you know to place ads directly to the competition in order to garner some of their customers as your own. Plus, you can see what they do that works well and also what doesn't work. You should literally follow your customers. On Twitter and all social media, it's important to follow your customers. When you do this, you can learn a lot about them and what they stand for. You can learn about what problems they have that you can solve, and you can promote the products you already have to them. The more you keep your eyes open and study your customers, the better your intelligence will become. Over time, you'll become a well-oiled machine that can name 3 pain points plus your solutions without batting an eyelid. But first, you have to do the work to locate your customers and observe their behavior, and then use the analytics software that you have. Learning and determining what your customers' needs are can and will pay off big time if done properly.